Hi friends, welcome back to my channel GMRS EdTech channel. Friends, today in this video I am going to explain how to make hot water heater at home. For making this, the required materials are 2 iron rods, 3 wooden sticks, metal plate, plaster, scissor and 2 lengths of the copper wire. Let us do the procedure friends. First, take these 2 iron rods and place this wooden stick between them. Now tie it with a thread. Tightly tie it with the thread. See friends, here I am tied with the thread. Now take one copper wire and attach at one end of the iron rod. See friends, here I am attached one copper wire to the one end of the iron rod. Now take another copper wire and attach to the another iron rod. Here I am attached copper wire to the another rod. See friends, both wire are attached to the both ends of the iron rod. Now paste the plaster on both ends, on both junction. See friends, here I am attached to the plaster on both junction. Now keep this metal plate on the top of the both iron rod and tie it with one thread. See friends, here I am attached this metal rod on the both ends of the iron rod. Now the water heater is ready. Now check it friends. See friends, here I am passed electricity through the copper wire and here I on the switch. We observe clearly here around the heater the bubbles are formed. These bubbles indicates that water becoming heat. So please don't keep your hands when water is heating up and don't dip this heater totally into the water. Thank you friends for watching. For more videos please do subscribe, like and comment.